Let's learn some colors names. Yellow, pink, orange, blue, green, red, next one, green truck, red truck, blue truck, yellow truck, pink truck, orange truck, another one, red balloons, yellow balloons, blue balloons, pink balloons, orange balloons,